Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. So today I'm gonna do a little mod under the engine bay, and I want you folks to let me know if you think it's a performance mod or an appearance mod. Let's get to it. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. So I've had a few people mention to me that I haven't done any performance mods yet to the Hellcat, and I'm just gonna explain something. I mean, after all, it's a Hellcat, okay? You don't buy this to overhaul it. I mean, maybe little things here and there, truth be told. And I'm not gonna lie, that doesn't mean that I haven't been researching. I think it's only natural that when you get another car, especially a newer car, first thing you're gonna try to do is see what kind of accessories or mods, performance or otherwise are out there. And yes, the majority of the things that I did purchase for this car right off the bat have been cosmetic, more of a appearance type of thing, which I'm fine with because I don't want to do anything major, not while I'm here in Texas. Maybe if I find something, maybe something when I get back home and I can take it into a shop. I've been looking at the Diablo tuners, I've been looking at exhausts, I've also been looking at rear diffusers and splitters, carbon fiber, gloss black. I've been putting some time in for some research of different types of mods, but at the end of the day, this is a Hellcat. And I think the mistake that some people have made is that they've tried to add too much paint to a masterpiece. So with that being said, I have done some research and I'm all about having the engine perform better, especially an engine of this caliber. I want to make sure that I'm going to do whatever I need to take care of it. That way it'll last. I'm not going to be riding this hard. So those of you that are going to want to see like tons of burnouts and donuts and clouds of smoke, then you're not going to see it from this car. At least not right now. Never say never. But with that being said, I do want to show you folks a little item that I've been researching, and I'm going to show you what this is. And I am going to apologize about the background noise. These bugs or beetles or whatever they are in the trees that just make these sounds are nonstop. But in this box, I've done some research, and basically I found something, and I'm going to read it off of my phone. Let me pull it out of the box first. I'll do the unboxing. Some of you may know what this is off the bat. Some of you may not. And so I am going to explain exactly what this is. So this is actually a valve cover breather oil cap. So it's combining a crankcase breather filter that I had in my other car with the oil cap. And if you can see that little ball in there, I'll explain exactly what this does. And so this actually vents the crankcase on your engine, and it's a direct replacement for your factory oil cap, and it allows unwanted crankcase pressure to exit. And so this crankcase breather filter, it incorporates a one-way check valve, keeping unmetered air from entering while the crankcase is under vacuum. In other words, this breather acts just like the factory oil cap, sealed under normal driving conditions. Only until positive pressure becomes present does the breather open to vent unwanted crankcase pressure. And that's going to be that ball on the inside. So this was actually designed for racing applications. However, it's beneficial to any motor. So that is where it'll release the pressure that happens within the crankcase. And those of you remember, I had the other one that came out in the front over here. Well, this is going to be a direct replacement for that. So I'm going to put it on right now. And so this breather filter here, it ran me about $80 and another $5 or $6 shipping. And you can select different tops here. So I got mine in the Hyper Carbon. And I think it's in. So whether this is a performance mod or not, let me know in the comments section what you think. I'm not looking at it as an appearance thing. I'm thinking if this can add longevity to the supercharged engine, then I'm all about it. If it adds performance by releasing the crankcase pressure, I'm all about it. But anyway, this is what it is. If anyone's interested, I can let you know where I got this from. If I remember to, I'm really bad at leaving links in the description, so if I forget to do that and you're interested, shoot me a comment and that'll remind me, and I will send you whatever information you need. Again, this is in the carbon, it's a Hyper Carbon fiber on top, just to go along with the carbon fiber accents that I already have. So that's what it'll look like as soon as you open the hood. Alright guys, so there it is. Quick and easy swap, 1 for 1. Take out your factory oil cap, put this breather filter in, and it will help release the crankcase pressure. What do you folks think? Is this something that would be worth it? How do you think it'll impact the engine? Leave a comment below and let me know if you think this is a good idea. And also let me know, is this a performance mod or is this a appearance mod? I'm open to all comments. Just want to thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.